H2x is the first mechanical and plumbing design software that directly integrates heat load calculations into the system design process and is perfect for HVAC designers. From drawing your heat load calculations all the way to exporting a PDF drawing set, calculation report, bill of materials, and even importing your fully sized and calculated system into AutoCAD and Revit. In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn not just how to design HVAC systems with H2x, but just how effective H2x is at reducing design time and increasing design accuracy. So let's dive in. With H2x's intuitive drawing tools, we can draw out our heat load calculations onto our project simultaneously. All calculations are completed by the software, and each room's calculations will automatically update as you make adjustments, such as adding in windows and doors. Where H2x really outshines its competitors is through achieving rapid design speeds while maintaining, if not improving, engineering-grade accuracy. H2x's in-depth calculations capture the design days of your address, annual solar heat gain, the thermal lag of the construction, and even additional internal heat sources. With H2x, you can go from a blank canvas to a fully calculated floor plan in minutes, without any additional tools or spreadsheets. From here, designing your HVAC system is as easy as drawing out your pipes for your hydronic system, then instantly switch over to designing your duct system through the drop-down in your toolbar. Designing HVAC is effortless thanks to the integration of both pipe and duct workflows in a single software platform. H2x has created a seamless workflow that calculates your entire system in a single place. Once your ducts are drawn out, you can then add diffusers to your HVAC design through the same intuitive drawing tools. Watch as I add an additional diffuser to this room. You can see H2x has automatically split the load between the diffusers. Not only does this save time, but H2x has entirely removed a common source of manual input error from your design process. When your HVAC design is complete, selecting the Results tab will automatically size and calculate your entire system. All calculations are now ready for review and easily accessible using the Results drop-down on the right, or by hovering your cursor over a pipe, duct, or piece of equipment. Taking a look at our pipes or ducts, we can see the sizing, flow rate, velocity, and pressure drop. Now let's take a look at the system-wide calculations, like the pump and fan duties. In H2x, you can even highlight the system index runs, which are calculated based on all fittings, dampers, and other components in your design. These are numbers you can trust when handing your design to an equipment supplier. H2x now runs a real-time 3D render of your design, which effectively visualizes your system in three-dimensional context, even down to animated velocity arrows on your pipes and ducts. You can check 3D view at any point for clashing and coordination errors. As you can see, we have spotted a clash. If we go back into the Design tab, we can quickly make an adjustment to our design. Note how H2x instantly recalculates, making design iteration effortless. As you rerun your results, changes ripple through the calculations instantly, so you always know your design is up to date. From here, the heat map feature is great for design reviewers. Spot problem areas at a glance instead of checking values one by one. When you're finished, you can export your design into fully customizable and branded PDF drawing sets, alongside calculation reports and bills of materials. You can even import your entire design into both AutoCAD and Revit, with no redrawing required, creating a seamless workflow across both platforms. Get in touch with one of our engineers today to watch a full system demonstration. We can even demonstrate H2x on one of your own projects to show you precisely how it can help you and your business.